Okay guys, we're out here with another update. I got one door semi done here. Got the bottom done. Got it all taped off. I hooked up my Ring floodlight cam yesterday, so I was able to actually get some video this morning of me working on all this and watering and fertilizing and getting the door put together, stuff like that. I was trying to put that together as a video to upload to YouTube, but it's just being a real pain in the butt, so I just came out here and do it this way again. So the tomatoes are looking really good. As you can see, I got my trestle extended here, and it's within the limit of the hardware cloth. I still haven't fastened down the ceiling yet. I got to do that at night when the sun's not beating down on me. It's right in my eyes. But yeah, looky here. I got some flowers coming in on this guy right here. I'm gonna shake them a little to get them to self-pollinate a little. We got one tomato down here. Here's our tomato. We got a tomato. We got some basil here. Basil's looking good. I'm gonna have to trim it again. It's getting tall. I've already trimmed it a couple times. This is my brandywine one. It's starting to really take off. I got some flowers here. Hopefully they'll start to take here real quick. I got another sucker here I need to prune off. I'm gonna do both of these as 2 leads, so I'm pruning off all the suckers except for the primary and the secondary lead. So like this branch right here, as you can see here, this is a sucker. See how it's right in between the V's? So once this gets a little bit taller, I'll come out here and prune this off, and I can put in some water and that'll clone this tomato plant. I can make another one just like it. There's another little sucker right there. I'm gonna take that guy out right now. We don't even need to let him grow. There's another one right here too. Man, there's suckers everywhere. Yeah, those suckers really can take a lot of the energy away from a plant. So if you don't want the additional vines, you really should prune them off. And like I see here, you can see my leads here. I'm gonna do 2 leads per plant, and we're just gonna go right up the trestle here. I got my other tomatoes transplanted and strung up. I haven't extended those poles yet, but they're a little far behind. I'm not in any danger of. I don't think they're gonna get that tall anyways. They're a Roma plant. But here's my marigolds. I fertilized them this morning and washed them a little bit. I accidentally dumped the door on them and I snapped the plant, so hopefully this guy will recover from that. This guy is doing pretty good. He perked right up right after the flowering. I got these guys out here to act as companion plants to the tomatoes. They help, I guess they put out an odor that certain insects don't like. That I think they're aphids and some kind of worm that bores into your tomatoes. The goal was to put them closer. And I also got some chives and green onions I'm gonna plant in this bad boy. But I didn't know that chives and green onions were poisonous to cats and dogs. So I don't want to plant them and then the cats eat on them until I can get this caged up. Once I get this caged up, keep the raccoons and the cats out, then we'll go ahead and plant the chives. They'll grow. It won't take them long to catch up. All right, well, it's my status update. I was out here for about an hour and a half this morning, working my tail off, sweating quite hard. I watered everything down real good. I fertilized everything real good. I put a 20-20-20 diluted into this water here because they're still kind of in the starting phase. I want a lot of nitrogen in there to get them going. But on these guys, I did a flowering fertilizer, which is a 10-30-20, so that they flower better. So, well, that's my update. All right, bye.